I took both plant food bags out to the garden bed and flipped them over. Same 3 numbers on the back of both boxes. The $10 Walmart store brand and the blue Miracle-Gro box, 24/8/16, printed on both. People drop $200 a year on name brand fertilizer, thinking they're buying better feeding for their garden. Honestly, they're not. The whole secret is hiding in the fine print on the back of both boxes, and the law is actually on your side here. If you've been paying brand name prices to feed your vegetable beds, stick with me. This one's gonna sting in a good way. I walked the whole Walmart plant food aisle so you don't have to. 6 finds, 3 skips, and 1 fine print reveal that changes everything. Hi, I'm Maggie, Zone 7, no affiliates, just honest tests on a real budget. Subscribe if you're new. Every product link and price is pinned in the description. I walked the aisle and double-checked the tags on my way out. Here's what I brought home: plant food, potting mix, garden soil, a pruner, a watering can, a booster, under $43 total. Quick one for the comments. What's the most overpriced thing you've ever grabbed in the fertilizer aisle? I want to see the damage. Last time we built the Dollar Tree garden path. Today it's what I feed the beds beside it. Let's start with number 6. Number 6, the Expert Gardener 2-gallon watering can, $5. When you feed with water-soluble plant food, you need a can to mix the solution and pour it right under the root zone. 2 gallons means fewer trips to the faucet when you're feeding a whole row of containers. That's it, no magic. A fancy can doesn't water any better. Long neck, gentle rows, same job for $5 instead of 25. Number 5, Expert Gardener Bone Meal, 4 pounds, 315.0, $8.47. Bone meal is a targeted phosphorus source, 3% nitrogen, 15% phosphate. You use it for exactly one job, rooting. Drop a tablespoon in the hole when you plant bulbs, tomatoes, or transplants. Phosphorus builds root systems, not top growth. Here's the key though. Only reach for bone meal when your soil is actually short on phosphorus. Most beds already have plenty of P from years of compost and organic matter. A cheap soil test tells you for sure. At $2.12 a pound, this store brand gives you the same guaranteed 315.0, same targeted job, less cash. Okay, skip number 1, and this one stings a little because I fell for it. The High-Phosphorus Bloom Booster. You've seen them. 10-50-10, 10-30-20, big P number in the middle, promising you more flowers. NDSU Extension looked at this head-on. High phosphorus rates do not increase the number of flowers. Full stop. Your soil almost certainly already has enough phosphorus. Most suburban beds are not P deficient in the first place. And the excess doesn't go into blooms. It runs off into storm drains and feeds algae in your local lake. A balanced 24/8/16 already has phosphorus in it. The Bloom Booster is a fix for a problem most gardens don't have. Number 4, Expert Gardener Potting Mix, 8 quarts, $4.97. With potting mix, the brand name doesn't do the work, the structure does. Peat or cocoa, perlite for drainage, a little slow-release feed. This one has all 3. The slow-release part feeds for about 6 months, so your containers get a baseline with 0 extra effort. I used it in my pepper pots this spring. Good drainage, no compaction after watering, same result as the $8 branded bags. Skip number 2. Miracle-Gro Moisture Control Potting Mix, $6.29 for the same 8 quarts. The premium you're paying for is water retention crystals, hydrogel that's supposed to hold moisture and dole it out to the roots. Here's the honest version. The research says those crystals work a lot better in a lab than in a real garden. In a normal container with regular watering, a layer of mulch on top gives you the same moisture retention without the price bump. For most of us, moisture control is paying extra for something a handful of mulch does for free. I keep a bag of mulch instead. Number 3, Expert Gardener Bypass Pruner, $7.97. A bypass pruner makes a clean cut. 2 blades pass each other like scissors, slicing a live stem instead of crushing it. Crushed stems heal slow and invite disease. A clean bypass cut heals fast. Same mechanism at $8 as at $70. I've run a name brand Fiskars for years. This one cuts the same. The difference is the comfort grip, not the cut. Roses, tomato suckers, herb stems, this does the job. You're not losing a thing at $8. Like the video if any of these finds made you want to walk to your shed and check what you've already got. Number 2. Expert Gardener Garden Soil for In-Ground Plants. 2 cubic feet. Around $7 to $8. Check the tag in your store. This one's for amending raised beds and in-ground plots, not containers. You mix it into your existing soil to improve the structure. It's got fertilizer blended in already, feeding for about 6 months, so you're not scrambling for a separate granular feed in spring. 2 cubic feet covers about a 4x4 raised bed a couple inches deep. Refresh the whole bed for under $10. I added a bag to my tomato beds in April. Drainage improved. The soil stopped crusting over after rain. Simple math. We're getting close to number 1, but before I show you the flip, I've got to show you skip number 3. The mini Miracle-Gro box, 1.5 pounds, the exact same 24/8/16 as the big bag. Sounds convenient, right? Specialty retail runs about $9.80 for that little box. That's $6.53 per pound. Save this, you'll want these numbers Saturday. The mini is the worst way to buy plant food if you have more than 3 pots. You're paying brand tax on top of small package tax. If you actually want Miracle-Gro, which you won't after this, at least buy the full size. But here's what the mini is hiding. Number 1. The Expert Gardener All-Purpose Water-Soluble Plant Food. 5 pounds, $9.97. I walked up to the bed with both boxes in my hands. Expert Gardener, 24/8/16. I flipped the Miracle-Gro box over, 24/8/16, same 3 numbers. And here's the part nobody tells you in the aisle. Your plants can't read. They don't see the brand. Colorado State Extension says it flat out. A plant cannot tell if applied nutrients came from a manufactured fertilizer or a natural source. University of Minnesota goes further. The source of those ions is not a factor in plant nutrition. When you dissolve either bag in water, your tomatoes get the same nitrogen ions, the same phosphate, the same potassium. The plant eats the molecule, it does not read the box. Now, those 3 numbers on the front, that's the guaranteed analysis. And here's the kicker, they are not marketing. They're a legal promise. The percent by weight of nitrogen, phosphate, and potash guaranteed. State law requires that every single bag of fertilizer sold carries that guaranteed analysis. You cannot sell it without one. Clemson Extension puts it plainly. State laws and agencies require the manufacturer to guarantee the claims of nutrient content on the label. Virginia Code, Florida Statute, Minnesota Department of Agriculture. They all say the same thing. And the state sample bags right off store shelves and lab test them to confirm the bag matches what's printed. This is enforcement, not a suggestion. So 24/8/16 on the $10 bag means the same thing as 24/8/16 on the blue box, by law. Now I'll be straight with you. Same NPK is not every single thing being identical. The blue box throws in a few micronutrients, boron, copper, iron, manganese. For the main feeding though, these 2 do the same job. Let's do the actual math. The $9.97 bag is 5 pounds, that's $1.99 per pound. The Miracle-Gro Mini, $9.80 for a pound and a half, comes out to $6.53 per pound. Same guaranteed analysis, 3.3 times more per pound for the brand. You have been paying the blue box tax, not for better feeding, for the brand. How to use the $10 bag, about a tablespoon per gallon of water, every 1 to 2 weeks during active growth. Same rate, same mixing instructions as Miracle-Gro, 1 tablespoon per gallon. The 5-pound bag lasts all season on a typical garden. I'm 2 months in and I've barely made a dent. Full cart, 5-pound plant food $9.97, potting mix $4.97, garden soil around $7. Pruner $7.97, watering can $4.97, bone meal $8.47, around $43 total. A full gardening kit, food, soil, tools, all 6 items in the description with direct links. Quick recap on the 3 skips. The high-phosphorus bloom booster your soil doesn't need. The moisture control mix you can replace with a layer of mulch, and the mini Miracle-Gro box at $6.50 a pound. If you're only buying one thing from this list, it's the 5-pound Expert Gardener Bag, $9.97 all season. Honest note, if you're a long-season grower with roses or flowering perennials, those micronutrients in the blue box may matter more later on. But for most vegetable gardens and annuals in peak growth, the 24-8-16 does the job regardless of brand. Next time I'm at Dollar Tree looking at patio finds, the kind of makeover that runs $400 at a designer garden center. Same budget, same result. I'll show you exactly what I grabbed and what it replaced. Smart dollars, real gardens, verified receipts. You've been paying the blue box tax, now you know. Turns out the fine print was the whole secret the whole time. Drop a comment. What's the first thing you're swapping next time you hit the garden aisle? I read every single one. And if this saved you money today, hit like before you go. I'll see you in the next one.